today we are going to spin some beautiful little flutes. I've combed a whole bunch of them, like you saw in the intro. And these are a cross of merino wool mixed with Bluefaced Leicester. So the crimp is very, very tight, and the fleece itself is very soft. And yeah, so we are going to spin this, and I want to make thin yarn because this is a project I want to do on my knitting machine, so it needs to be something similar to sock yarns, somewhat, but doesn't need to be as tight as sock yarn. So I want to make it thin, but not too tight, not too like, we won't do over twisting or whatever. I'll try my best because I'm not the best spinner ever, far from it. So yeah, let's start spinning. As usual, we are going to spin this on my Ashford Traditional, which spins very fast. And also, I love it. This wants to spin so tightly. My god, this is crazy. First time I spun this wool. So, well, I did a sample, but the sample, I don't think I prepped it as well. So I wanted to be like chunkier a bit. Oh wow, yeah, this is gonna be amazing. Nice. I just wanted to show you guys the color. It doesn't pick up as much on the camera, but like there's subtle hints of like darker and lighter shades and these little beige spots. It's very cute. I love it. This is gonna be so pretty. As you can see, there's a lot of cuts, like second cuts, little neps in that fleece. I've been removing them as I find them while spinning, but this is a lot of them. I would keep them in, but like with since it's a knitting machine project, it's gonna jam, so I'm taking them off. We got our first bobbin up single! It's crazy how like compact it gets. Like this is the second half and this is what it becomes. I guess there's a lot of air trapped within the fibers, but still it's crazy the difference between both of them. Whoops! Trying to escape. So yeah, let's start spinning the second single bobbin. And this one is so much grayer than the other ones. Oh my god. I love them so much. Super soft. Coco. Yeah, you wanna help me? Oh my god. And we have our 2 bobbins of singles! So now it's time to take out our trusty old knitting needles and build our wonderful chair lazy gate, is how we're gonna call it. And let's start playing this. Chair lazy gate assembled. Yeah, there you go. Let's use our crochet hook. Let's see what I'm doing, please. Yeah, Tum Tum, are those beautiful singles? Yeah, are those beautiful bobbins? Oh yeah, they're beautiful bobbins. So that was a very close game of bobbin chicken. What'd you think, Tommy? Was it a close call? Not impressed. Squish, squish. And we did it! So that's 188 meters. And it's quite neutral, balanced. Yeah, is this good yarn? And it's super soft. I thought I would have made more because like it filled up the entire bobbin as a plied yarn, but I guess since it has so much crimp, maybe it bloomed already a bit. Like it looks big. Like if I bring it closer, it looks a lot bigger than previous yarns that I made, but it's not that much bigger. I like it. There's like subtle variation of colors, like we've seen. Like there's some lighter grays, there's some darker browns, and yeah, really happy with the result. Obviously, we'll need a lot more than that to make a sweater, but this is a really good start. And yeah, I'm excited to spin the next one. Probably not this week though, because that's been a lot. My fingers need rest now. So yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. In the meantime, I will go wet set the twist in this. If you like these kinds of crafting videos that I make, please consider subscribing, giving a like, leave a comment below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.